Hello everybody, welcome in. Today I want to quickly go over what you can do with subtitles on Adobe Premiere Pro. So after you have your video selected and it is on your timeline, you can come up here to text. If you do not see text available in this control, you're going to go to Window and down here to Text. So right here, you can hit Transcribe, or you can also just go to Captions and create captions from transcription, which it'll tell you here. So if you have multiple people speaking, you can separate out speakers, or if it's just you, you can do no, don't separate speakers. Audio on track, it is either on audio track, whatever you have your audio on, or mix, and there you go. So go ahead and hit Transcribe and create. It should only take a few moments depending on your computer and how long the video is. So there we go. We have the transcription in. It is not always perfect, so you might want to go through here and double check that the actual transcription worked properly. So now that we have that, we can select all of it, and you'll notice it's in a horrible position, and overall, it's just going to not look all that great. So if we toss this over here so we can see the full window now, we can go up here to Essential Graphics. You're going to go to the Edit tab, and now we can change out the text. So we can change the text family. We can move the subtitles up. We can also change out the coloring. So we are Froggo, so we're just going to choose the colors off of our stuff here, like so. And there we go. Now we have subtitles. Let's check out the actual usefulness of the subtitles. Yo, hello everybody, welcome in. We are going to be doing an entire series here on YouTube for Mechanism. Okay, so as you see, they're just pretty plain, just there. And you can't do much else with them here on Adobe Premiere. They're just there. Well, you can also select all of these and come up here to Graphics and Titles, and you can upgrade caption to graphic. What that's going to do is now it is no longer on the subtitle track, it's an actual video track, which means the most important part of this whole video, now we can go ahead and add in some graphics to it. So here we have the transitions. Let's go to Effects, and we'll grab transitions right here. Let's just say we're going to grab ourself, wipe in, and we'll do the slide out, and we'll toss a split in and a whip just to give you an example here. Now watch the transition. Now watch the transition of the text. Yo, hello everybody, welcome in. We are going to be doing an entire series here on a lot more lively, and that is the easiest thing you could possibly do, is just add in some simple transitions, or if you've downloaded some transitions in the past, you can also edit those as well. Now, if the text is still wrong, there's plenty of ways to come through and edit them. And what you're going to want to do is come down here, and for these, you're going to see the graphics here and the text. When you double click on them, you should come up with this window here. And now here's your graphics, and you could change out the text so that you can make sure that everything is right if you didn't do it the first time. I hope that this video has helped you guys out a little bit, and I look forward to any comments. And if you guys have some more ideas or some more things you're struggling with in Premiere Pro, let me know. I'm new to it, but we're getting there. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.